welcome to Ishna's world. My name is Ishna. This is my grandfather Narayana. He is retired deputy educational officer and a national awardee.
Today I will teach Ishna and also viewers regarding the time and how to make the watch, that is teaching aid of watch. So material required is low cost and no cost. For example, I have taken one used wedding card. So with this and one pointer and one thread I am using to take the dial of the watch, that is circle, and one scissor and one, this is instead of nail I am using one used strip of medicine. So first of all I am taking one wedding card used and I am making one hole in the middle with the help of one needle, that is, and keeping it and taking this. Ishna, you kindly help me. Ishna,
Of course.
help me. I am taking thread also, thread, and using this as the center. You catch this one, and where is my pencil? This is my pencil. So I am using pencil and center, that is I am making one circle so that it will become a dial of the watch like this. This is one circle. This is one circle. To save the time, I have already made. So for the needles also, I am taking one used wedding cord and cutting like this. Cutting the hands of the watch like this. This is the one, you catch it. And the small one, that is hour's hand. This is the hour's hand. This is the hour's hand. Already I have taken this one, and for the nail purpose I am cutting this strip of used medicine in the border like this and in the sharpened way, and making this as in the center with the whole of this as the center, and this I am removing the previous one. So this I am putting this one like this in the hole. In the hole like this. Okay. So this has become one needle, that is hand. This is which hand?
Minute hand.
Minute's hand. This is which hand?
Our hand.
Hour's hand. So always the minute's hand will be on the upper side. That's why I am making this as upper side. Okay. So like this. How to prepare watch with the low cost and no cost. So instead of a rebate, I am pressing like this. Now it is moving. So already I have made this. For example, I am showing you. I have already made just a few minutes back like this. This is the same way I am using this one. Same way I am using this one by cutting the strip of the medicine tablets. So now this is 12, this is 1, you have to read. This is
12,
this is
1,
this is
2,
this is
3,
this is
4,
this is
5,
this is
6,
this is
7,
this is
8,
this is
9,
this is
10,
this is
11.
this is again
12.
12. So 12 hours. So for your convenient I am writing. So what shall I write here?
1,
1. I am writing 1 here. What shall I write here?
2, 2.
2. What shall I write here?
4.
This 3 is there. What shall I write here?
4.
4. What shall I write here?
5.
5. 6 is already there. What shall I write is 7. What shall I write here?
8.
What shall I write here?
9.
What shall I write here?
10.
What shall I write here?
11.
Correct. Now I want to know how to read the watch. So the red indicates hours hand. The green indicates minutes hand. This is minutes hand. Red indicates hours hand. This is the red. And green indicates minutes
Hand.
hand. Now I want to read 12 o'clock. Say this is 12 o'clock. How to put 12 o'clock now? This is
You put the both hands on 12.
together, one upon the other.
Other.
Correct. Now it is 12 o'clock. So I am moving the minutes hand. I am moving the minutes hand like this, and keeping the
Our hand.
hand at 12. So it is at 12, slightly moving. So what is time now, Ishna?
12, 10, 5.
How you got? Because this is the 5 minutes duration. 1 5 is a 5. 12 5. Now what is time now?
12, 10.
12 10. Now what is time now?
12, 15.
Correct. Or you can say
Quarter past 12.
quarter past 12. After 12, how many minutes we have crossed, we have reached, we have travelled? This is 5 minutes, this is 5 minutes, and this is 5 minutes. Total 15 minutes. Or for easy method, wherever we are seeing the number here, 3 5s are 15. Or this time is 12:15. Or you can say
Quarter past 12.
quarter past 12. So this is 12:15. 12:15 or quarter past 12. When this is just moving away from the 12, this is quarter past 3.
12.
Suppose this needle, this hour's hand is after 1. This becomes quarter past 1. Suppose if it is here, this becomes what it becomes? This becomes quarter past 1. So we are coming from the 12 only. What is now time?
12:20.
What is time now?
12:25.
What is time now?
12:30.
Or-
Or we can call it as half past 12.
Correct. Now we have crossed here from 5 minutes and 10 minutes and 15 minutes,
20,
20 minutes,
25,
25 minutes,
30,
30. Or you can say 12:30, or you can say
half
Half past
12.
correct. Now I am going to here. Slightly it is moving. After 12 and half of the 12 and 1 is the minutes hand is reaching the 6. Now it is just slightly moving, and here we got. What is the time now?
12:35.
Correct. Now what is time now?
12:40.
Correct. Now what is time now?
12:45.
Yes.
Or we can call it as quarter to
Correct. Quarter
1.
to TO2. Quarter to. How? Because this is 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes. Total 15 minutes we have to travel. We have to cross. We have to reach to 12. It takes 15 minutes. That's why
we call it as quarter to
quarter to
1.
quarter to 1. Correct. Quarter means 15. Half means 30. Full means 60 minutes. That's why. Now what is time now? Time.
1,
10 5s are 50. After 12, 12:50.
12:15.
Correct. Now what is time now?
12:55.
12:55. Now what is time now?
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock. Exactly the small hand, that is hours hand, is on the 1 and the minutes hand is on the 12. Whenever the small hand, that is minutes hand, is at one digit and 12 is on the hours, minutes hand is on the 12, this we should as 1 o'clock. This is 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock.
This is
3 o'clock.
this is
4 o'clock.
this is
5 o'clock.
this is
6 o'clock.
this is
7 o'clock.
this is
8 o'clock.
this is
9 o'clock.
this is
10 o'clock.
are correct. This is
11
correct.
o'clock.
Again, what is this?
12 o'clock.
Now you are aware of the 12:05, 12:10, 12:15 or half past, quarter past and half past and quarter to. Now one more concept is there, Ishna. Suppose I am going to after 3 years, 3 o'clock, 3:20, 3:25, read it, 3:30, 35. Now we see here, this is 3:35. This is 3:35. It's slightly moving. 3:35, more than half. Okay, right. Now, how many minutes to reach 12 due? That is pending. This is 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes and
25 minutes.
25 minutes is still required to reach the 12. That's why you can say 25 to 4.
25
Next time is 4 o'clock.
to 4.
Or you can say how many minutes this is? 3:40
40.
or 20 minutes to 4 o'clock. The 20 to 4. 20 to 4. This is 15 to 4. Or we can say quarter to 4. This is 10 minutes due. 5 minutes, 5 minutes. This is 3:50 or
10 minutes to 4.
correct. You can avoid minutes. 10 to 4. So repeat.
10 to 4.
This is
3 to 50.
3:55. Correct. Very good. 3:55 or
5 minutes to 4.
you can avoid minutes. 5 to 4 because it is time. 5 to 4. So similarly, if it is like this, what is the time? What is the time?
4:55.
Or this is 5 minutes duration is there.
5 minutes.
Correct. 5 to
5 to 5.
5. You don't, now onwards you don't say minutes. Now it is, what is time now?
5:55.
5:55. Very good. Or
5 minutes. 5 to
now you are on the way. Correct. Very good. This is the Ishna. 5 to 6. Similarly, Ishna, now observe the figure.
5
5
to 6.
5 to 6. Very good. Now it is time now.
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. Now I am giving you the original watch. It is 6 o'clock or 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock. So you make it 1 o'clock. Like this one, you make it 1 o'clock. I want 1. Very good. For easy understanding, there is a dot here. The minute hand should be on the 12. Hour's hand should be on the 1. Now go for 115. Go for
minute.
150. Okay. 115. Very good. Or you can say this as
Quarter past 1.
very good. Now 130. Yes. This is 130.
1:30
Or you
or
can say-
half past 1.
Correct. Now go to the 145. This is
Quarter to 2.
because already crossed 1 and going to reach 2 o'clock. How many minutes is due? 15 minutes is due. 15 minutes is called quarter. That's why quarter to 2 your answer is correct. Next 2 o'clock.
Two o'clock.
Very good. This is 2 o'clock. Okay. Right. Thank you. And going to other watch also. See, this is another watch. You may not get the same type of watches always. So make it 7. 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. Very good. Very good. So minutes hand is.
Minute hand is on 12. Hour hand is on 7.
Okay, you make it 7:15. You read the time.
We say it as 7:15 or quarter past 7.
Okay, I want 10 to 8. 10 to 8. 10 minutes less to 8 o'clock. 10 to 8. Very good, very good, very good. Judgment, good judgment.
10 minutes to
10 minutes. Still 10 minutes is less for the 8 o'clock. Where you have to put here?
8. 1, 2.
Very good. Like this. Very good. This is 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes. Your calculation is very good. So this is 10 to 8. Okay. Thank you. And with this practical watch experience, I want to show to Ishna to make the remaining wedding card paper like a chart. This is the class work. You may say class work or homework or project work, whatever you may. So she has written 10 o'clock, 10:05 and 10:10. You read it by seeing this.
10:05,
Hmm.
10:05,
Hmm.
10:10,
Hmm.
10:15, 10:20.
10:15 you can read other way also.
I will read
No, this one.
afterwards.
No, now only. Yes.
Quarter past 10,
Hmm.
10:20,
Correct.
10:25,
Yes.
10:30,
Correct.
half past 10,
Correct.
10:35,
Hmm.
10:40,
Hmm.
10:45,
Hmm.
quarter to 11,
Hmm.
10:50,
Hmm.
10:55,
Hmm.
11 o'clock.
Okay. Who has written this one?
I.
Yourself. Very good. So like this you can utilize the other papers, remaining wedding cards and white papers. You can preserve it and you can this one innovative activity. This is improvised apparatus. You can use any white paper by homework like this, or you are doing other way also. Anything. This is the only. This is the other.
Here.
She has drawn even the diagram of the watch also. So this is 1:30.
1.
So this is 1:30. She has written and drawing also she has made. So like this we can teach the students, children regarding the watch timings also. Okay. We will meet in the next episode. Till then, thank you. All the best.
Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Very good. All the best. See you.
Bye.
Bye.